Hello friends, welcome back to this video. In last video we have learned about if then else statement. Let's move one step further and learn about else if statement. Let's add one more scenario. Suppose your total revenue of 2023 and 2024 is same. Then our task is to get in B8 is no change. Let's go back to our code and rewrite it. After the if then statement, we will add an else if condition. Else if range in double quote C6 bracket close dot value equal range B6 bracket close dot value then range B8 range B8 bracket close dot value equal in double quote no change. Now let's edit the values in Excel sheet and run the code step by step to see how ElseIf works. If you found this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook page. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.